Hello everyone, Sharif Abu Zaid here with a new video, and today I want to answer a common question that people ask when they start using WordPress, which is what is the main difference between a post and a page inside WordPress. And I can say this is a valid question because when you try to create a new page or a post, you basically follow the same process. Now, if you want to create a new page, just go to pages and click add new page, and a new page will be created. Now, if you want to create a new post, you just go to posts and then click add new post, and a new post is created. So when and what is the difference between a post and a page if you can just follow the same process? So what is the main difference between both of these? I'll try to cover like 3 main differences, but who knows, maybe I'll cover more when I am speaking during this video. Now, let me show you the first main difference between a post and a page. So I just clicked, chosen to create a new post, and this is a new page. So if you, from the first look, you'll find there's no main difference between both of these. But now if you have a deeper look, you'll find that the categories and tags panels do not exist inside the page canvas. So this is the main difference between a post and a page. The main difference, or the first main difference, is that you can categorize, you can organize your posts into categories, but you can't do this with pages. Now, if let's say that this is a website with a blog about, or a about like beauty products, you can have different categories and types of beauty products, maybe like something like beauty products for men and beauty products for women, let's say, for example. You can actually add categories here. So you can add a new category and call this beauty for men, for example, and then click add new category. And now this post will be categorized under the beauty products for men. Of course, you can do this for women as well. So this is the first main difference. You can actually organize your posts into categories and tags. And I'm not going through the main difference between categories and tags. If you want me to have a new video to show you the main difference between categories and tags, please leave me a comment down below. So this is the first main difference between a post and a page, which is you can categorize or organize your posts into categories and tags. Now, the second main difference is that you can actually create an archive page for all of your posts. Let me show you something. This is a website that I have created for my translation business, and this is our blog page. As you can see, I have different categories. I have a website translation category. I have a, let me see, I have, let me just open the blog page. Here you'll find that we have spoken language category, we have website translation category, and we have localization categories, and we have games, and we have medical, we have content translation, we have different categories. We have organized our content into different categories, but I have one page that has all of my content in one archive. And also, if you go to the category page of any of these categories, you'll find that I have one archive page that has all of the website translation posts inside one archive page. You can't do this with a page. You can't do this with a page. You can't have different categories. You can't have archives or dynamically created archives for your pages. But you can do this for posts. So this is the second main difference, which is you can have an archive page for, you can archive actually all of your posts, but you can do this with pages. Now, for the third main difference is that posts here, as you can see, we have just talked about a post like a blog post or an article, but you can actually create a new post for something like a blog, for a book. Let's say that you have a website for a bookshop. Okay, you can create a new post for like different categories of your books. Your books. You can have like fiction books category. You can have, let's say, that adventure books category. You can have like historical or history books category, and you can create a new post, not the default one created by WordPress. You can actually create a new post. You can have another item here, not only post, but you can create a new item here or sub item and call this like books. Maybe you are running an opera house. Maybe you are running a website for an opera house. You can just create a new post and here and call it like concerts, okay? Concerts or ceremonies or celebrations, whatever post you are creating. You can create different types of posts and add them here, because the term post refers to articles and different custom post types. So in the default post type of WordPress is relevant to articles, but still you can create a new custom post type for your specific case, because posts are generally speaking are or contain dynamic content. You can create dynamic content for your posts, but you can't do this with a page. So what is the main use cases for a page? Basically, a page will contain a constant content. You can create a new page for your sales page. You can create a page to show your services. You can create a page to show your testimonials. All of these are not dynamic content. They are static content. You can create a new home page. You can create a service page, a sales page, a testimonials page, a frequently asked questions page. These are all, as I mentioned, static content. But for posts, they are dynamic content that can be generated and also can be read by RSS feed programs. Now, these are like applications or websites created to generate a collection of new content in specific websites, and people use these RSS feed readers, just to not to have to go to every website to read the new content. They would just add new or a set or a group of websites and ask the RSS feed reader program or application to collect all the new content generated inside these websites, and they can just go through them just quickly in 5 minutes and know the new content. These RSS readers do not bring or do not show the new pages. They only show the new posts, because as I mentioned, posts contain dynamic content. So let me wrap up or summarize the main differences between the post and the page. First, you can categorize posts into you can organize posts into different categories, but you can't do this with pages. The second main difference is that you can have an archive page for all of your posts, but you can't do this with a page. A post always contains dynamic content for your articles, for your concerts, for your books categories, but pages contain only static content, not dynamic content. The fourth difference is that RSS readers or applications read the content of posts or bring in the content of posts, not pages. And let me give you a last difference, is that usually you will be sharing your posts into your social media channels, not your pages, because usually you'll be sharing inside social media channels the the content that educates and entertains your readers. But pages content usually is used to present your sales, or is usually used to convert people into customers. So these are the four main differences between a post and a page. Hopefully you can just, you can find it easy now to differentiate between a post and a page. And now you know when to use a post and when to use a page of WordPress. Finally, if you find this video useful, please make a comment, and also share it with your friends and colleagues and everyone that you may know may like this content as well. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.